let us now discuss the another question, okay, for CUET like entrance examinations, okay. So the MCQ question is given as, if A is equal to alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. So this is the A matrix and A square is equal to I. Then which of the following is true? Then which of the following is true? If A is a skew symmetric matrix, then A will be, they are asking, okay. So your options are alpha square plus beta gamma minus 1 is equal to 0, alpha square minus beta gamma minus 1 is equal to 0, and the next option is alpha square plus beta gamma plus 1 is equal to 0, and here minus alpha square plus beta gamma minus 1 equal to 0. So these are the given options for this MCQ question. So let us solve this. So write given. The given matrix is alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha, and the given condition is what it is, A square, okay, now equal to I. Since it is 2 by 2 matrix, then our identity matrix also 2 by 2, that is 1 0 0 1, okay. So now here A square can be written as A into A equal to I. A matrix is alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha, alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. This is equal to identity matrix, okay. So now what we have to do, we have to multiply. So first row is multiplied with first column. So here alpha into alpha, alpha square plus beta into gamma, beta gamma, okay. And so now the second row with first column, gamma into alpha, alpha gamma minus alpha into gamma, alpha gamma. And here first row with second column, that is alpha into beta, it is alpha beta, okay, and minus plus into minus, minus beta into alpha, alpha beta. And here second row with second column, gamma into beta, beta gamma, plus into minus into minus, it is plus alpha into alpha, alpha square. So this is the resultant matrix is obtained after multiplying A with itself, okay. So here 1 0 0 1, and here now we know from the equality of matrices the corresponding elements will be equal. So from here if you see alpha plus minus will get cancelled, plus minus will get cancelled, and here cancel means what, it is 0. So this element and this element is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. So both are same now. So now equating the first element, that is alpha square plus beta gamma equal to 1, and this is also alpha square plus beta gamma is equal to 1. So from here alpha square plus beta gamma minus 1 equal to 0. So our A option is correct. So like this we can solve this type of MCQ questions, okay.